Hi there, I'm Jason, and you're watching
Jason! Jason! Jason!
Hi guys, in this video, let's tackle about the subtraction of integers. So take note that when subtracting two integers with the same signs, subtract them directly and affix their common sign. So for example, 5 minus 4, it's 1. So both are positive money, 5 and it is 4. So 5 minus 4, 1. 9 minus 7, it's 2. Negative 15 minus negative 7. So you are subtracting two integers with the same signs. So negative 15 and negative 7. So just subtract them directly. So 15 minus 7, it's 8. Then copy or affix their common sign, which is negative. How about this? Negative 20 minus negative 15. So pareha silang negative. So negative 20 or negative 15. You subtract them. So 20 minus 15, that's 5. And then copy their negative sign, which are both the same for both of the numbers. So negative 20 and negative 15. Now, when subtracting two integers with different signs, change the operation from subtraction to addition. So one first thing that you have to do, you have to change the operation from subtraction to addition. Change the sign of the subtrahend from negative to positive or vice versa, and then proceed to addition. So you're going to do this when you are subtracting two integers with different signs. So for example, 9 minus negative 4. So this is positive 9 and this is negative 4. So what are you going to do is to change this negative or minus sign from negative to positive. So mahimo na siyang positive. And then you also change the sign of the subtrahend. So this is negative 4. So mahimo na ning positive 4. So that becomes 9 plus positive 4, that is equal to 13. So therefore, 9 minus negative 4 equals 13. Second example, 6 minus negative 3. So again, from negative sign, negative, so change the subtraction operation to addition. So from minus, mahimo na ning plus, and then negative 3 mani, so mahimo na pud ning positive. So you have to change the sign of the subtrahend man daw. So 6 plus positive 3 equals 9. So therefore, 6 minus negative 3 equals 9. Positive 9. How about this? Negative 10 minus 3. So different signs bigyan na sila because this is negative and this is positive 3. So you change the sign of the subtrahend first from minus, so this becomes plus, and then since this is positive 3, so this becomes negative. So negative 10 plus negative 3 equals negative 13. So therefore, negative 10 minus 3 equals negative 13. Fourth example, negative 15 minus 6. So again, you have to change the subtraction operation from minus, himo ning plus. So mahimo ng plus. Ang operation na iutron ha, from subtraction, mahimo siyang plus. And then since positive 6 man ni, naging close natin parenthesis. O, ang subtrahend, i-change na nimo from negative to positive or from positive to negative. So positive man ni, himo na tong negative. So, and then we have to proceed to addition. So, negative 15 plus negative 6. So, di ba, the rule in adding addition, kung same na silang signs, i-add na nimo sila diretso, and then you have to affix or copy their common sign. So, negative 15 plus negative 6, it's negative 21. So, 15 plus 6, that's 21, and then copy their common sign kay pareha naman silang sign. So, therefore, negative 15 minus 6 equals negative 21. Okay? Now, let's have this rule. When subtracting greater integer from a lesser integer, the answer is a negative integer. So, mag-subtract kag dako sa gamay, so ang answer ana kay negative nga integer. For example, 4 minus 7. So, 4 is a lesser integer, minusan og 7, which is a greater integer. So, 4 minus 7, it's negative 3. So, negative dyan ang answer, basta gamay, minusan sa dako. So, it's negative 3. Now, 6 minus 10. So, it's negative 4. Ibaylo na gunan mo 10 minus 6, it's 4. And then, gamay may gisubtractan sa dako, so it's negative. How about this? 3 minus 8, it's negative 5. Kay 8 minus 3, 5. Gamay may gimanusan sa dako, so it's negative 5. And then this one, 11 minus 20, the answer is negative 9. So that is just basically what you need to remember. So when a smaller or a lesser integer is subtracted by a greater integer, then your answer is a negative integer. Now let's have these drills, these exercises. So subtract the following. So 8 minus 4, it's 4. 17 minus negative 10. So ma-plus man ni diba? Diyan ka na ma-plus. So mahimo nang 17 plus positive 10, that's 27. How about this? Negative 30 minus negative 15. So both are negative, and then you subtract them. So therefore the answer is negative 15. Negative 25 minus 6, it's negative 31. Diba? Mahimo ning plus, and then kani mahimong minus. So mahimo ning negative 31. How about this? Negative 32 minus 32. So diba ma-plus ni, and then ma-minus ni. So mahimong negative 64. 8 minus 13. So you're subtracting a greater integer from a smaller or lesser integer. So the answer is a negative integer. So 13 minus 8, that's 5. And then you attach the negative sign. So it's negative 5. So that's just basically what you need to remember when subtracting two integers. So again, if they have the same signs, either both are positive or both are negative, you have to subtract them directly and copy the common sign. When subtracting a lesser integer from when subtracting greater integer from a lesser integer, the answer is always negative. And then when the signs are different, so here are the 3 steps that you need to remember. So first, change the operation from subtraction to addition. And then you have to change the sign of the subtrahend from negative to positive or from positive to negative. And then lastly, you have to proceed to addition. So that's basically the steps when subtracting two integers. That's all for now. Thank you. More power, and let's keep learning.